Hi there, this is Serge, and today I'm gonna share with you a productivity tip for front-end developers that are gonna save you hours of work. I personally started to use it, and I just can be more happy with that. It's quite simple, so we need just our classical VS Code, and as a front-end developers, particularly when I work with the React, we should create components often, and it also the principle of good architecture to create this to build, like, split the big components into the smaller ones, and to do it efficiently there is plugins to create so-called snippets, some small pieces of code that you can reuse, and then you can like pretty much have a new file created, and then you just can, you know, Command Shift and I for insert, and then you see the list of snippets in there. I also use it for tests, and but like the classical and the most popular one in my toolset is the React functional component. So in this case, just I can create component just in a matter of seconds, and it's already like exported, and you have props. It's a TypeScript version, but definitely you can create a plain vanilla JavaScript also. They're optional, so whenever you don't need them, you just can skip that, but there's very high probability that you're gonna need some props in the future. And so that's it. If needed, I can share this small component in the gist, so you can use it, reuse it in your snippets. Thanks for watching. Yeah, bye. Happy coding.